Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching GTAV and Picking Story or online. Sign in and load a save. Once loaded, immediately open settings and adjust controls, camera sensitivity, and aim mode so inputs feel natural. Next, play the opening tutorial or the intro free roam to get walking, sprinting, jumping, and camera control down. This prevents mistakes in missions. Make sure vibration and HUD elements are readable before moving on so you're comfortable with core mechanics. Once you've mastered basics, focus on combat, driving, and mission navigation. You'll use the weapon wheel to swap gear, practice aiming, and cover mechanics in short encounters to improve accuracy. For driving, learn braking, handbrake turns, and throttle control across cars, bikes, and boats so you can handle chases. Pay attention to the minimap and wanted level, avoid line of sight, and use alleyways to escape. Practice switching characters in story for mission advantages and timing, which often changes how objectives are complete. You wrap up by finishing mission goals, collecting cash and XP, then spending earnings on weapons, ammo, or vehicle upgrades to prepare for what's next. Make sure you save, either via manual save, autosave, or returning to safe houses, and switch characters if the next objective requires it. If something breaks, crashes, missing textures, or lag, first verify game files and update drivers, then clear cache or lower graphics settings. If online, check server status and your NAT type to resolve connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.